lock I have for you today is a master lock number 570. It's a 5-pin core. I was click out of 2. And a very deep set 1. Looks like I touched 4 and dropped into a false set. Tori's giving me some feedback. I think I set him. Click out of 2 again. Click out of 4, got my false set back. Three is set. No, I'm not feeling nothing. 2's giving me some counter rotation. Okay, I think I might have set 2. Four's giving me feedback, and there you go. Now, master locks are generally shitty locks. This one, I don't know if it was just one of those days in the master lock warehouse where they make these that, you know, everything just fell in place and they actually produced a good lock. I can't really say that because this is the only number 570 I have, so I have nothing to really compare it to. Out of all the master locks I've ever picked, this is by far the most difficult, and I'm not sure why. It's only 5 pins. Here's the bitting. The keyway's nothing special, but I have no way of getting in there. It's a sealed unit. You would have to pop out this pin to get the core out, and I'm not sure if that's spring loaded, and I don't want to do anything destructive to this, you know, especially if I can't get it back together. So I hesitate to say, but master lock with this specific one, at least I can say, you actually made a decent, challenging lock. Well, that is all I have for you today on the master number 570. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you like the video, please subscribe. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.